So here in front of me, I have our original WeatherTech CupFone, our WeatherTech CupFone with our new extension, and a new extension by itself. So the original WeatherTech CupFone will rotate within the cup holder, and it also tilts to adjust the viewing angle. Depending on the location of the cup holders in your vehicle, it may be desirable for you to bring the phone closer so it's easier to reach, in which case our extension will allow you to bring the phone approximately 4 inches closer to the driver. Additionally, if your cup holder is too close and you want the phone in a better field of view, you can bring it 4 inches further away. Additionally, if you've got low cup holders, you can bring it approximately 4 inches higher. It's really infinitely adjustable in those ranges. The WeatherTech CupFone is available with or without the extension pre-installed, and the extensions are available individually as well. And installing your CupFone extension is super simple. First, you'll remove the cell phone holder from the actual base of the CupFone by loosening this pivot adjustment knob on the side. You'll remove this pivot bolt as well, and the cell phone holder simply removes. Next, take the bottom of the extension and install it into the base of the CupFone. Reinsert your pivot bolt and screw on the pivot knob. Next, the cell phone holder will mount on top of the extension, just like it was mounted on the base of the CupFone. Remove the pivot adjustment knob and bolt again. Mount the cell phone holder. Insert the pivot bolt all the way. Tighten the pivot knob, and now your CupFone extension is installed. For more information on the CupFone or any other WeatherTech products, visit our website at weathertech.com.